I have to go get a grinder. I go jar them coffee there and either beat them or grind
Yeah, so our first one is, and maybe you hear these in Patois, what we talk out here. But me we try see if me can, as
English.
you know here, me talk Patois, so me we try see if me can put in English.
No, but you
Alright,
have to talk in a patois because I say it talk to you. So we have to try.
so if the first one we have is, so we're gonna say like part of it and you guys try to finish the sentence or the statement. So it's, I know everything. So it's not everything. Well, you know, don't come after that. Where you don't think come after that. Me go on like 30 seconds and if anybody can come up with an answer. So I know everything. We have a famous saying out here, I know everything. So well done complete that statement if you guys know. Blue, you know that one? So something come behind, I know everything. Or it's not everything. So the statement need to, alright, Mashiano get it there. Yes, I know everything that glitters is gold. Exactly, so you go Mashiano. So Rain get where Rain have to answer that one there. So I know everything else is shiny, shiny. I'm pretty a gold.
And we can't get them in it. So we don't know the reason.
Yes,
Everybody
exactly.
know the reason. Can't say it.
And everything glitter gold and everything else is shine. You have to run, go jump up and think, say, yes, it's good. So yes, Mashiano, you got that one right. This is somewhere maybe you would be universal. I don't know. If you know that, know this one. So everywhere me turn, or everywhere I turn. So we need that statement there for complete now. Everywhere I turn, or everywhere me turn, we'll complete that.
In our patois, everywhere we turn. Everywhere we turn.
Yes, everywhere me turn.
Everywhere we turn.
we say our words different, you know.
Yeah, everywhere we turn.
So when we say turn or turn, we mean. And when we say where or where, come like me here thunder too, you know. Look like we probably get some rain today, man. You know your thunder?
You know, so winter, the little rain will fall, water come back in our spring.
Thank God. From me I tell you, say,
Yeah.
we don't have no water in our gully, which power we normally get water for supply the farm, you know. And from the whole summer, 3 months plus. Cause from me, as you know, this is in some videos. Say the gully, the river then dry for in May. So me tell us a real sufferation like where farming is concerned, you know. We mash up because from early on this year we got from last year October to about April we got like months of rain. And then as April, mid-April, all we got was sun straight up till now. Sun. So first we had rain and then straight sun. So we just hope for a little better end of the year, you know? Hoping for a little better end of the year. We don't want no whole heap of rain and we don't want no whole heap of sun. We just want in between. So we can produce some good stuff.
Yeah, I can be slow some tomato already. I'm still there. Yeah, I'm come up. I'm come up already. So we can replant that crop.
So it's a blue, you don't know that one there. Rain, we get little rain since the month here starting, about 6 times we get little rain now.
But the real, we get a good amount yesterday.
And then you have some part of the country, some part of Jamaica, them get
A flood
them
out.
get a nice not well then not nice, they get more and nice that a disaster because them get flooding. That's like in the Kingston area. So which flood is not something that you look forward to, you know? Because that's a disaster. You just look for rain to make everything nice and dandy. So alright, what we say? Everywhere me turn, where Blue say she don't know that one, the Mashiano. You don't know that one there? Everywhere me turn, or everywhere.
Everywhere me turn, Maka took you.
Alright, run jump a gun, run go no answer. So everywhere me turn,
Maka took
Maka joke yourself. Maybe this one I say, yeah, no problem, but you try to get out of here, so you look for a different avenue.
And I see him.
And at the same problem, no resolution, no, they are just trouble they all the time, you know? So, everywhere me turn, Maka joke me. We are in the parish of St. Mary. We are next to Portland Parish. We're not
Near
the
the
too,
border, we're
yeah,
near
we're
the
kind of
border.
near the border. We're not the too far from Portland. Because where we are at now, so my time we can just stand up here so we see Portland Mountain. So, yeah. So, everywhere we turn, Maka joke me. Yes, everywhere me turn, Maka joke me. So yeah, turn from one place to the next, looking some resolution, looking some answer, but it not work out. So basically that's what that one mean.
Bird.
Alright, here is the next one. Me all but me now. Me go no too much to say no, but me gonna take it. I just one word left to complete it. Me all but me now. I'm all but I am not. One word leave to complete that sentence. One word, just one word. Me all but me now.
Well, if you listen to it, you know, you can't get it. If you listen to this statement, you can't get it.
I finish that one. Me old but me no. Or I am old but I am not. Blue say, young. You're old but you're not young. Alright, Blue. I could see what Mashian or if anyone else can come up with something. Me old but me no. Or I am old but I am not. So Blue say young. Yeah, well if you're not old, you're most young. That's a Blue right about that. But we kind of look for a different word with this saying. But you're so true about that, Blue. If you're not old, you're most young. Or you're extra old. So if you're not old, alright, ring it that one if you know it.
Cool.
Alright. So, me old but me not cool. So I am old but I am not cool. So basically say me old but me not down. Yeah. Me old but me strong. Me still can do things.